So we can see there Bandar, that means our monkey with respect says Dadaji, oh grandpa. बूढ़ा बबुल कहाँ रहता है? The old acacia tree. Where does he live? Where does the old acacia tree live? Okay, बूढ़ा बबुल is old acacia tree. कहाँ रहता है? Where does he live? उधर बाड़ी के पास. Udhar, avade, there. Badi means the fence. Okay, we all know, we all have fence around our house for security, right? Udhar, badi ke paas, near to the fence. Okay, now all of them, now even the five of them, the Bandar, Saras, Billy, Bakari, and also now Bel, the cow, has also joined them. All right, now so अंत में वो बूढ़े बबुल. So okay, wait. So here goes your next picture. All right. So now you can see all of them saw the clouds. Okay. Now we can see different wonderful things happening there. It's so exciting, right? The suspense is high. Okay. Now अंत में वे बूढ़े बबुल के पास पहुंचे. At the end, now at the end, अंत, end. Okay. At the end वे बूढ़े बबुल. Okay. It बूढ़े बबुल is the old acacia के पास पहुंचे. They reached near it. Okay. So the बंदर says बाप रे बेचारा कांटों में फंसा हुआ है. बाप रे means it is an expression. Oh, we'll say like oh my god, right? Oh father, oh god. We'll express, right? In the surprise we'll be like oh my god. बेचारा कांटों में फंसा हुआ है. बेचारा, the poor thing, kanto means thorns. We can see in the acacia tree there is thorns. That means small pointy things. Okay, small pointy things. It's thorns. It's called as thorns. Okay, THORNS. So बेचारा कांटों में फंसा हुआ है. It is stuck in the thorns. Okay, so all of them, Billy, Bakri, Bel और सारस, सब ने मिलकर कहा कि चलो बचाए, come, we'll help it. Okay, we'll help the cloud. Now and what did they do? सब ने मिलकर बादल को बचाया. Look, you can see there Bandar and Saras, everyone is helping each others and they escaped. They helped the Badal escape. Okay, so now you know what will happen. So here goes your next page. Okay, so पानी बरसने लगा, सब नाचने लगे. See, now there's happiness. Everyone got water. Now even the bird came. So everyone is happy. They all got water. See, now everything is back to normal. They all got water. See, now everyone can drink. Everyone is healthy and all is good. That was your chapter. That was an easy chapter, right? Okay. Now I will be going into specific details of our first exercise. That means in your note you have to write down this in your note. So what is your exercise? विवरण तैयार करें. Here is your page. All right, so we can see at the top Kavya. Okay, so how did you feel the chapter was it easy, right? It was an easy and interesting and you all liked the chapter, right? It was easy. Yes. बारिश के आने पर प्रकृति में क्या क्या बदलाव आता है. Okay, now we know that when the rain comes into our nature, when it rains, there is lots of different changes with nature, right? Lots of different things happen around us. Okay, the soil gets muddy, slushy. There's mud all over. There is the water, muddy water everywhere. There's new plants, the fishes come. So when the rain comes, there's lots of changes. Okay, so I want you to write a vivaran. Okay, vivaran तैयार करें. You have to write an essay, not an essay but small one. विवरण तैयार करें. So what all, बारिश को के आने पर प्रकृति में क्या क्या बदलाव आता है. When the rain comes, what all changes does it occur to the nature? What all changes happen around you or in your surroundings? So विवरण तैयार करें. So that is your first activity in your notebook. Write it down in your notebook. All right, so this is one small part. I hope you understood the classes I will be giving a time for doubt session. You can ask your doubts, no worries. All right, so all the best. The rest of the activities I will be giving you in the class on live basis. I will be giving you live works. Okay, all right, so hopefully we'll have a wonderful class. All right, thank you.